Hey Marcus, today we're diving into a word that everyone needs more of, especially on Monday mornings.
Let me guess, we're talking about stamina today, right?
You got it. It's one of those words people use all the time, but do we really know where it comes from?
Okay, I'll bite. I always assumed it was just about being physically fit or something.
That's part of it, but here's the cool thing. It actually comes from Latin, from the word stamen.
Weight's like the part of a flower, the little stick thing with pollen.
Exactly. In Latin, stamen meant thread or fiber. The Romans connected it to the threads of life spun by the fates.
Oh wow, so it was like the essential thread that keeps you going, your life force basically.
Precisely. And over time, it evolved to mean the energy and strength to keep doing something for a long period.
So it's not just about muscles, you can have mental stamina too, right?
Absolutely, like when you're studying for exams for hours, that takes serious mental stamina.
Tell me about it. Last week I was working on a project until midnight. My stamina was completely drained by the end.
See, perfect example. And think about marathon runners. They train for months to build up their stamina.
My friend ran a marathon last year. She said the last 10 kilometers were pure willpower because her stamina was gone.
That's such a relatable way to put it. It's about endurance, pushing through when your body or mind wants to quit.
I guess parents need tons of stamina too, chasing kids around all day.
Oh, definitely. My sister says raising toddlers requires more stamina than any gym workout she's ever done.
I believe it. So to wrap up, stamina is basically your staying power, whether physical or mental.
Exactly. It's that inner thread that keeps you going when things get tough. Pretty poetic for a health word, huh?
Love it. All right, everyone, go build some stamina this week, and we'll catch you in the next episode.
See you next time.